In today's video, I'm going to teach you scale drawing without changing dimension in AutoCAD. Sometimes you receive a drawing that isn't at the correct real-world size. You scale the geometry up or down, and suddenly all your dimension values are wrong. The good news is there's a simple, reliable way to fix the displayed dimensions without changing the geometry you just corrected. Here's how to do it. Start by scaling the drawing to the correct size. Use your usual method, like the scale command. Pick a solid base point and enter the exact factor you need. For example, if the drawing is half the real size, scale it by 2. If it's 4 times too big, scale it by 0.25. After this, your geometry is now correct, but you'll notice the dimension values have changed because they're reporting the new size. That's expected. What matters is that you remember the scale factor you used, because you're going to apply its reciprocal to the dimension style. If you scaled by 2, the reciprocal is 0.5. If you scaled by 0.25, the reciprocal is 4. Keep that number handy. Next, type dimst and press Enter to open the Dimension Style Manager. Select the current dimension style you're using in the drawing and click Modify. If you're unsure which style is active, look for the one marked as current, or check which style your existing dimensions are using. Inside the Modify dialog, go to the Primary Units tab. Here, you'll find a field called Scale Factor. By default, this is set to 1, which means your dimensions display actual measured values. Change this to the reciprocal of the scale you used earlier. So if you scaled the drawing by 2, enter 0.5. If you scaled by 0.25, enter 4. What this does is multiply the measured values before they're displayed, bringing them back to what they were prior to scaling the geometry. Click OK to close the Modify dialog, then close to exit the Dimension Style Manager. Your dimensions should now show the correct values without you having to rescale the geometry again. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your dimensions are associative so they update with the geometry. If you use multiple dimension styles, repeat this change for each one that appears in your drawing. And if text height or arrows look off after scaling, adjust those in the same style, but don't change the primary unit scale factor you just set. That's all. You've scaled the drawing to the correct size while keeping the dimension values right where you want them.